Head of the St. Andrew North Police Division, Superintendent Glenford Miller, is warning that investigators will not wait indefinitely for dancehall entertainer Mavado to surrender to them for questioning in relation to investigations into violence in Cassava piece. Several associates and family members of the artist, including his 17-year-old son, are now in custody being questioned by the police. The cops say they want to question Mavado, who is now overseas.
He's not back in the island from all indication, but his lawyers would have communicated to us and informing us that he will come and speak to us. But no time was given. No, it won't be indefinite because we will actually liaise with our law enforcement counterparts overseas if needs be and ask for assistance. But we're giving him the opportunity for him to turn himself into the police so that we can continue our investigation.
In the meantime, the police have extended the curfew in Cassava piece following the flare-up of violence. The curfew, which was imposed on Thursday, has now been extended until 6 p.m. tomorrow.